We've developed a lot of libraries of different types of conveyors, and we're able to simulate and emulate conveyor systems, control systems for customers in a variety of different industries. We focus a lot on automotive for several different customers. We focus a lot on baggage handling for a lot of customers. We're starting to do parcel automation as well, where we're copying you take a lot of what you've done for baggage handling, and a lot of that kind of applies and can be used similarly in parcel. And then we've done some other one-off things here and there for individual customers. And then another big one is IntelliFinishing. We've been emulating our IntelliFinishing control systems as well.
So the industries we use emulation for are primarily in automotive, and there's different types of systems in automotive we'll use them for. Skid systems, friction conveyors, and power and free. We do a lot of emulations in the baggage handling world, or just delivery or conveyance of bags, products. We also use emulation for our IntelliFinishing company. So for paint finishing, we will emulate the system and have the trolleys and carriers move around the system so we can validate the paint finishing aspect of the project.
One of the advantages of simulation is that you can change the time scale. So it doesn't have to be a real-time thing. You can speed it up, if you will. So you can do 8 hours of production in 15 minutes and see over that longer period of time, you can condense that and see where the bottlenecks arise over time. With emulation, it's different in that because you're actually testing the code itself and the physics of the model, because of all of that, you have to deal in real time. So you can't speed it up. So that's why another advantage of simulation over emulation, and why emulation is truly to test the code, not the proof of concept.
We get a lot of benefits from doing emulations. One benefit is our engineers get more experience getting familiar with the system, getting familiar with the PLC code. We get additional benefits in that we have an opportunity to validate the system here in the office, should reduce the amount of time we spend on site troubleshooting, should reduce the number of bugs we have in our programming, and should deliver a better quality product at the end of the day.